have some important updates for you. I also want to go and show you how you're able to move your money out of Eclipse, as there is a lot of bad things going on. So to prevent anything, how to move them out for the best option. So with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop. The first thing first is the tuna pre-sale is opening soon, and people that are whitelisted are going to have the possibility to participate before anybody else. So to go and check that, simply I will leave you the link down below. Go and put your wallet address right here, and if you are eligible or not eligible, you will have right here the information to go and do it. As well as yesterday, guys, there is one airdrop to go and claim here. We got this one. We got the chain-based airdrop. Make sure to go and check your eligibility for it. Chain-based is actually going up very much. So if you're eligible, let me know, and let me know how much money you've made. I will leave you the link down below to go and claim your airdrop. Now, there is a lot of controversy with Chainbase, and they did mess up a lot, so probably a lot of you are not going to be eligible for it. But if you do, make sure to let me know your allocation down below, as they have a lot of price action. And with this one that we did go and collect and we did go and claim it, I have two suggestions for you. First of all, if you want to go and trade with a account, as we see here, this is my database. Over on Breakout, it is a prop firm with A-books, the only prop firm in crypto with A-books, which is amazing. And as you see here, if you make any money, you have the possibility to basically go and spend $275 for a account with $25,000 in it, which means if you make 10% of a profit with $25,000, that's $2,500. If you make 10% on a $300 bonus trading account, that's only $30. So that is why I'm using this. And as you see here, I have the possibility to go and trade, and I want to go and open some trade with you. I will open a 5 position, let's call it a short over on Ethereum. I think we have a long one over on Bitcoin. Absolutely yes. And here we go, 1000 position on a link for a long. So this is going to be my bet on it. And why can I do it? Well, I am trading with a $100,000 account because I did go and get myself the 999. I made money from an airdrop. I went to invest it, and now I'm trading with $100,000 instead of $1,000. So the link will be down below. Use the code that you see on screen to get a discount. You've been seeing for a while, and also down below. But yes, I am trading now no more with $1,000 account. For $1,000, I'm trading with $100,000. So that is amazing. Make sure to come and join me down below. Discount for all of you. But if you do not want to go and spend any of this money, I fully understand you. So make sure to go over to ZoomX right here. I will be doing a bit of a giveaway on this one. So make sure to go and jump over on Twitter. I will sell my Bitcoin position, $758 profit. And with this one, you can also trade on ZoomX. ZoomX has a $30 sign-up bonus for everybody that go and sign up and do their first deposit, as well as a $50 bonus, so or a 50% off. So if you go and deposit $50, you get $25. If you deposit $100, you get $50. You understand? 50% of what you deposit, up to $10,000, up to $100,000. Sorry. So you get $50,000 max as a trading bonus. So make sure to go and deposit your money on ZoomX if you want to trade on a regular exchange. No KYC needed. So this is great. And go and follow me. I am currently holding a position which I'm currently in a loss on Ethereum. But nonetheless, what do we do? I think I will go and double down on this one. This is a short position on Ethereum. I will double down on my short position because I do think that it is going to happen. So I will short Ethereum right here. I have entered even more on an Ethereum short. So let's go and double down on it. But as I said, either Breakout or ZoomX. ZoomX, you get a $30 bonus. Breakout allows you to go and trade with $100,000 for only $1,000, which is amazing. And that is why I'm able to open such big position, as you see right here, in order of the amount of money. But next up, we have the Plume airdrop, which it is coming very soon. So make sure to go and check your pre-allocation over on Plume. Connect your wallet and you're good to go. Never participated in Plume. Don't know much about it. We haven't seen it in the channel. Something I didn't trust, but let me know what you think down in the comments below. Next up, we have the Blessed tokenomics as well, has been announced officially. The token ticker is going to be Blessed. Total supply will be 10 billion token. Airdrop allocation is going to be 10% of the total supply, which is good. So make sure there is no claiming yet. Do not click any claiming or anything that you see online for a claiming of any type. You are not able to claim. This is just the tokenomics, which we see here: investors, team, advisor, ecosystem, airdrop, community incentivized 35%. Now, into what I do think is going to be a good argument. Let's see how you're able to go and take your money out of the Eclipse ecosystem, because Eclipse is really going down. They've done a terrible launch, and I personally decided to take my money out of the Eclipse ecosystem. This includes Invariant and this includes Astral for the time being, unless they're able to go and satisfy and to fix it and to make it better. I will not be touching Eclipse. So if you have money on Astral or Invariant, simply go and switch everything that you have on Invariant. Easy peasy, go and do a swap. And for example, let's say you have TETH or Ethereum, we switch everything to USDC. So this is the first step. Go and switch to USDC. Once you have your USDC, go over to Nexus, use nexus.com over on Hyperlink and go and send. This, by the way, allows you to go and take away the relay. Relay, for example, here, as we see here on Relay, you can go and send money from Eclipse. As we see here, from Eclipse, you're able to go and send it all the way apart. That is only Eclipse Ethereum. Let's say to Eclipse of Ethereum Zora. If you're going to send 5 of them, it's very pricey. I think it was $70 per 1 Ethereum, as we're able to go and see right here. Here we go. For 5 Ethereum is going to be, let me go and double check, $378. So for 1 Ethereum on Relay, which yes, it is the cheapest out there, $74. So forget Relay. We go over to Hyperlane Nexus. We send USDC from the one that we just swapped from Invariant. So now we have USDC on Eclipse. We send USDC, as we see here, USDC from Eclipse to Solana. So make sure to send it to your Phantom wallet and you do these procedures. Once you have your USDC over on Solana, if you want to keep it on Solana, you're good. Go and buy Solana, go and keep it on USDC. This is how you're finishing, and it is very simple. If you want to bring it back to Ethereum on another chain, simply then follow up to dBridge. I will leave you all these links down below. From dBridge, you go and send from Solana USDC, which you simply find it right here. And then down here, you will have the voice, Solana USDC, all the way to any EVM chain of your choice. Let's say Optimism, fine. Optimism USDC. And this allows you to go and pay the fees with Solana token, which are very minimal. And you send stablecoin to USDC. And then from USDC, and this is like a 4-in-1 interaction as well, you go and change from the USDC on the chain, in this case Optimism, which we've just sent, you go and send them back to Optimism from USDC to Optimism Ethereum. And that is it. I have not lost any amount of money doing this. So it is the way to go. It is way better than utilizing Relay. Absolutely 100% yes. So make sure to go and do it, and make sure to go and get your money out of Eclipse, at least until they sort out everything that they got going on with the CEO, with the awful fake promises that they've been going. It could still be better. I still trust Astral because Astral is on Eclipse, yes, but the team is different. I still trust Invariant. I still have a lot of point there, and I'm still participating in it with swaps and bridging and in and out. But the amount of money that I had before, I didn't trust to leave it over there. So if you want to go and do it, make sure to do it. With that said, if you do any money from the airdrop, you know where to put it, either ZoomX or Breakout. And with that said, I'll see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys. One great thing that you can go and do to have more interaction with a protocol is to go over here on a wallet, which I will leave you the link somewhere in the description of the post or the video, and go and select a network. So what do we do this and why do we do this? Well, we know that, for example, Zora airdrop was big, ZK airdrop, and all of them were really big, and also the interactions with the protocols were important at the time. So for example here, you can go and deploy in a basic mode or an ERC20 mode contract, very simple on any chain. So over here, simply click, for example, we go to the Inc platform, which still needs to have an airdrop, and we click over to deploy. As we see here, we're able to go and switch the chain, deploy a smart contract. I have no Ethereum whatsoever on Inc, but as we see here, to deploy a smart contract, it only costs 1 cent. So I know I got some funds over on Base, I believe, and Base still needs to release the token. If they're gonna release it, up to them. As we see here, it costs 1 cent. I don't even have Ethereum over here. So in some chains, I will have Ethereum, but you can go and do it. You understand the criteria. Deploying a contract for 1 cent, you're basically doing a transaction on the protocol for only 1 cent, which is way cheaper than any swaps, any bridge that you can do, and it does give you the amount of transaction that you need to maybe be eligible for the airdrop of any of these chains, which it is really, really important for you to go and do. So definitely go and test it out, go and try it, and very, very nice from Welto to be having this one.